Hello students. So let us see introduction to your transformers. So before going to the transformer, let us know we have AC voltage and DC voltage. So we have some advantages of AC voltage over your DC voltage. The main advantage of AC voltage is we can increase or decrease the level of voltage at different stages of electrical network. So what are the different stages we are having in the electrical network? Like we are having generating level and transmission level, distribution level and utilization level. So actually what is the need of a transformer? So the transformer is used to decrease or increase the level of voltage in electrical network. So in most cases the appliances are manufactured to work under the specific voltages, like your cell phone works on different voltages as compared to your TV, fridge and washing machine. So a transformers are used to adjust the voltages to a proper level. The transformers are the basic components for the transmission of electricity. The transformer is used to increase the voltage at the power generating station. That increasing the voltage is nothing but step up, and decreasing the voltage is nothing but step down, and use it to decrease the voltage for household purpose. It means that at the generating station the step up is done, and at the utilization station, that is of at house for the household purpose, the step down of the AC voltage is done. So what is the need to increase the voltage level at the generating station to decrease the transmission losses? So by increasing the voltages, the loss of electricity in the transmission purpose is minimized. So let us see the introduction to your transformer. A transformer, it is a static device. It transfers electrical energy, that is electrical energy from one part of electrical circuit to another circuit without changing the frequency. It means that we can change the voltage, or we can get a desired voltage and desired current, so without changing the frequency. So what is the principle of working of this transformer? It works on the principle of mutual induction. So earlier I said that we are having different levels in the electrical network. So what are the levels? We are having generating level and transmission level, distribution level and utilization level. So here the black, with the black here, it is indicated as generating station, and the generated voltage or power is delivered to the customer through the transmission. First it is transferred through the transmission lines. Here it is indicated with the blue lines are indicated, this blue box is indicated with transmission lines. So at the transmission lines we are having 116 by 138 or 230, 345, 600 and 665, 765 kV. It means that in the transmission level we are having in terms of kVs, the voltages are in the range of kVs. So here we are using at the generating station, between your generating station and transmission we are using one transformer, that is your step up transformer. The here generator step up transformer, this step up transformer is used to increase the level of voltage. So what is the purpose of increasing the level of voltage? To decrease the transmission losses. So the transmission of customer is 138 kV or 230 kV. So this is your substation step down transformer. Substation, this is nothing but this green line indicates, this green line section indicates your distribution. So at the distribution section we use a step up, that is a step down transformer. Here the whatever the voltages which are obtained through the transmission lines, so before delivering to the customer or to the utilization section, it is step down. The step downing is done with the step down transformer. So at the substation the step down transformer is used to step down the or to decrease the level of voltage. So this picture gives you a clear idea. So what happens in the electrical network? So how the energy is transferred from generating station to the utilization section. Utilization is nothing but household purpose or for industrial purpose. So from generation to the household purpose or for to the utilization we are having two subsections, that is your transmission and your distribution. So this is the history of transformer. So in the earlier days, the transformer looks like this. So in the 1885, the transformer is designed by Mixa in the year of 1885. Then further in the 1885, William Stanley make the transformer more practical due to some design changes and developed a three-phase transformer. So this is a further improved transformer by the Stanley. The design of William Stanley was first commercially used in the USA in 1886. So these are all the nowadays we see like at the roadside or in our villages we see a transformer. So those are all very different from the earlier transformer. Those are all very improved. And a transformer. So let us come to the a straight definition of a transformer. A transformer is a static device. What do you mean by static device? Because if you observe the transformer, there is no any rotating parts in the transformer. So all are stable parts only we observe in the transformer. Like unlike if you come to the motor, we are having some rotating parts, rotor. So but in the transformer, we won't find any rotating section. So that's why it is called as a static device. So what is the use of transformer? It helps in the transformation of electrical power from one circuit to another circuit at a same frequency. So in the transformer, what happens? The voltage can be raised or lowered in a circuit, but with a proportional increase or decrease in the current rating. Because so in the transformation, what the power maintained is constant. That the power is maintained constant by increasing or decreasing the current or voltage level in proportional. If the voltage is increased and current is decreased to maintain a power same in two circuit. So let us continue a transformer in the next section. Thank you.